Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll explain the use of adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs. They often answer the question, how? We often form adverbs by adding ly to an adjective. For example, when we add ly to the adjective quick, we get the adverb quickly. When adverbs modify verbs, we usually place the adverb immediately before the main verb or at the very end of the sentence. The placement of the adverb does not change the meaning of the sentence. She quickly finished the assignment. She finished the assignment quickly. Notice when we have a helping verb, such as the verb be in a progressive sentence, the adverb goes between the helping verb and the main verb. She is quickly finishing her assignment. We also use adverbs to express time. Some common adverbs to express time are yesterday, today, and tomorrow. These adverbs usually come at the very beginning or end of the sentence. Yesterday, Anne finished her assignment. Anne finished her assignment yesterday. We have several adverbs to express frequency. Some common frequency adverbs are always, often, frequently, usually, generally, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, and never. Frequency adverbs often occur in the middle of the sentence. They usually occur immediately before the main verb or after the verb be. Anne usually arrives at 9. Anne is usually on time. The adverb comes between a helping verb and a main verb. It's 9:30. Anne is usually working at this time. Linking verbs connect the subject of the sentence with a word that describes or gives information about the subject. Some common examples of linking verbs are be, feel, look, smell, sound, taste, appear, and become. Be careful with linking verbs. They are followed by an adjective, not an adverb. So we need to say, the soup smells wonderful, not the children feel happy, not let's compare the difference between action verbs and linking verbs. Look at this sentence. The man looks angry. The adjective describes the subject, the man. Look has the same meaning as the verb appear. Now look at this sentence. The man looked at me angrily. The adverb describes the action of the verb. Look at has the same meaning as regard or watch. We are finally at the end of this lesson. Did you easily understand everything? Remember to practice frequently.